Hello, welcome to FX Pips Per Bills once again. Today we are going to look at support and resistance majorly. How do we use support and resistance? How do we draw the perfect support and resistance lines? I'm going to be very brief but on point. We are going to take it through, and our case study today is going to be this pair of Euro USD. We are going to be dealing with the Euro and the United States dollar. So in this case, we are going to see how to draw perfect support and resistance lines, what to follow and what to ignore. So right now with me, I have this chart. So what we should do is to zoom out any chart that you have up to when you can view quite some good data of that chart. So you can see here I can see up to August. I can see data up to August of 2020. So if that is not enough, we can add in a little more until July, until May. That is okay. That's about 1 year. That of about 1 year. So now what we do is to find out the support and resistance lines. Now, when you have this kind of chart, what you do is to look for points of reversal and points where whenever market reaches there, breaks out or bounces. But at this time we're looking at bounces. So what we do is to come here. Here I use rays most, not lines. If you're using trading view, it is okay to use rays more than using lines, because a ray will draw up to where you want, but a line will just go through the whole chart. If you are using your normal MetaTrader 4 on the broker, it is okay to use lines. It is the same. The principle remains that you put the line where there are bounces. Now like here, you notice that up to here, this line, I don't want it broken, that ray, you can see that every time market comes here, it reaches this line, it bounces. Here it reached as it was breaking out, came back, even at this same point, and you can really realize that it is a key level. So you come back and fetch another one. You can spot also this one, that one. Then we can also come, we spot this one. Remember, we're on a 4-hour chart, so it is always good to use a 4-hour chart while drawing support and resistance. Any time frame would be okay. That's if you are trading according to that time frame. But remember, with forex, the longer the time frame, the more perfect your strategy becomes. So now we are going to have this even here. So you can see here it has already bounced even here. So there's also a line there. We also have there. Always remember, when you are drawing these lines, they must not exceed, you must draw about 5 to 10. If you draw beyond 10, that's being so much. It's being you've made many unnecessary ones. So every chart at least must have 5 to 10. They should lie in between there. The average is 8. So we can count here the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have 8. So it is always, the number always goes around that. So you can see here that every time market comes here, it lies within here, and when it comes, it bounced when it breaks out. Now what you should know is that what makes it support and resistance. A support is that line below the market, and at that point when market reaches there, it bounces, it turns back to the upward move or breaks down. So now if we are to consider these two lines, which is the support and which is the resistance. So now in this case, In this case here where market currently is, market is currently here, you can see this line. So now the line above the market is the resistance and the line below the market is the support. So the moment the market price goes up and breaks out of this line, now the former resistance now becomes the support, and the upper line becomes the resistance, and the support is always down, such that when market comes it sits on it and then it goes back. Now make sure that on these points that you have zoomed out the market well, such that you can see some kind of data, good data. So when you zoom in, those lines may even get close. So when you zoom in, you can see. When you zoom in, you can see now. So after zooming in, you can now clearly see that some lines are even going beyond the chart, but they still fall within your analysis. So now you can see that Euro USD is trying to break out of this resistance, and after breaking out of this resistance, it now becomes the support, and this one becomes the resistance. That is the simple logic behind the support and resistance. You look for key level, at least the lines must pass at least through two points. They must at least pass through 2 points. Remember, these are not the perfect prices. It is a region. You refer to it as a region. So where your line lies, it is around the region. It is called a support region or a resistance region, because it may not be the exact price. Now like this one may not be the exact price at which market will turn, but it will turn around that region. That's why here you will see that at some points, so let's put right this, you put it through wicks, at least passes through wicks. Sometimes it tries to pass through, but then when it is still within that region, it can be supported to go back. So that is it. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe. We still have more content for you. You can also watch more videos on this channel, teaching you how to utilize MetaTrader 4, many other videos showing you how to do analysis and everything. How you can build a complete strategy through our videos to start making money in forex trading. In case of anything, please reach out to our WhatsApp number, which is +256 756 696 232. You can also check in the about section of this channel. You'll find there the links to our Telegram channel and also to our chats, so that you can get in touch with us. Thank you.